you want to use Grok to edit photos, I'm going to show you two things that you can do. One way is to have Grok make a photo and then you can edit it from that point. And I'm going to show you how to upload your own photo, and then that way we can edit our own photos from our photo gallery. So let's go ahead and open up Grok, and let's go ahead and ask something here. Let's say, give me a picture of a dog sitting in a chair. So it may take a couple seconds, it may take a couple minutes. Usually it's pretty quick. As you see, we can go ahead and look through these options that it gave us. So from here, what we can do is go ahead and edit these photos. So go ahead and change the photo. Let's just use the top one here. Change the white dog into a brown dog. That should only take a couple seconds for it to imagine it. And that's it. It's pretty simple to go ahead and edit photos with Grok that it's made itself. But what we can do is upload our own photo, and that might be a little bit more useful to more people here. So let's go ahead to the attachment file at the bottom left-hand corner, and you want to hit Photos. And let's just go through, and I'll just choose a random photo here somewhere. Let's just do this one here. Go ahead and hit the check mark at the top right corner. And let's say I want to put sunglasses on this dog. So put sunglasses on this dog and go hit send. And it might take a couple seconds, but it might be pretty quick. And that's it. You can go through and edit these and make it more customizable to what you want. So let's go ahead. They look kind of big. Make them a little smaller. And you can just go through and edit these over and over and over. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to use Grok to edit photos.